In this video, I will be showing you how 4 AI tools help us creating a professional video. So the first AI tool that I'm going to introduce is Midjourney. All you have to do is to go to Google web browser, type Midjourney, and then click join the beta, and then it will link you directly to your Discord. Okay, so what are you going to do to use this Midjourney site using your Discord? All you have to do is to click the AI server or AI Midjourney server and then look for newbies here. Tap this one. Now, in order for you to generate an image or download a new image here, you just have to type specific keywords. But you have to type slash and then type imagine followed by the words or the keywords. For example, I want to look a guy with headset or a DJ or whatsoever. I'll just type those keywords here and then press enter. Now wait for Midjourney to generate the photo or the image. You just have to wait that image because it will just appear right here. So all you have to do is just to scroll down. So here it is. Now, what I'm going to do is to download or save this image from Midjourney to my desktop. Okay, so locate a file and then kindly save. So once you're done saving your photo or image that you generate from AI Midjourney, our first tool, you can now go to the next AI tool, which is the d-id.com, or I think that is short for Digital People Text to Video. Now, what you're going to do here is to tap this create video, and then you need to tap this add here, down here, and then insert the image that you generate from Midjourney AI tool. So once you tap this one, you cannot just easily add that image. You need to sign up in order for you to have access. So I signed up earlier and then now I can add the image that I generate from Midjourney. So you need to sign up in short. So tap this add and then locate the image or the picture that you save or download from Midjourney AI. So just look for that photo here. I think I save it in documents or in downloads. I'm not sure, but just have to add it here. So this is what it looks like. This is the image or the picture that you downloaded from Midjourney. Now, in order for you to, make this person talk, you just have to copy a script or make your own script and then tap this speaker icon here. Then you can hear this person talking. Okay. You have to choose also a character, I mean, a voice character. It should be a guy, a man. Okay, so you can see here names of the guy. All you have to do is to select one. And then after that, tap the speaker icon so that you can hear this person talking. Now, once you're satisfied with the result, all you have to do is to click this generate this video and wait because that video will appear here once it's done. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes. I guess it depends on how strong your internet connection is. So here it is. Now all you have to do is to tap this one and download this video. But before that, if you want to listen to the output, this is what it looks like.
University. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'm happy to share more about our marketing services and how they could expand your company's social media presence.
That's it. Now the third video or the third AI tool that we're going to use is the vidIQ. Here you can generate keywords or SEO here in order for your title to be more enticing, captivating, whatsoever. So you just have to type a title here, or you can say create or make this more SEO friendly and then type the title and then tap this get title and then wait for a couple of seconds, then you can hear some options. All you have to do is to copy this, paste to your notepad or to your Microsoft Word in order for you to use it later. So as you can see, I copy this title one by one and paste it on my notepad. So you can also do the same and then save it for later. Okay. And then once you're done with the first AI tool, Midjourney, the second we have d-id.com, third we have um, vidIQ. The fourth one we have here is ChatGPT. This is also an open AI tool. So all you have to do is to go to your Google web browser, type ChatGPT, log in if you have an existing account. If you don't have, you really need to sign up and you need a valid email address and phone number in order for you to get access to ChatGPT. So once you're logged in to your ChatGPT now, you can ask for a script in order for your project to be 100% perfect. So let's just say, so I type here, create a script for this for AI tools. I type also Midjourney, the second one, which is a d-id.com, the vidIQ, and then ChatGPT, and then press enter. Let the ChatGPT create or make a script for you. So once you enter this one, you can probably see how ChatGPT works and how ChatGPT help you to create or creating a script for your video. So once you're done, tap enter, and then all of the words in the scripts will show here or pop up here. What you're going to do is to drag, copy, and paste it where obviously you're going to paste it back to d-id.com site. So let's try this. So copy this one first and paste it there. So I'll paste the words here and let's listen.
Title.
You have to change that to male voice. Now, the last tool that we're going to use is Audacity. You have to click this one and then let Audacity record a voice and then save that voice. And all you have to do is to combine the picture, the image, the video, professional video, and the voice. Save the video on your computer and also save the voice, this file from Audacity to your computer. Combine them, and the video and the audio, and then you can now upload this professional video using these four AI tools to your YouTube channel. As easy as that. So that's how four AI tools help us creating a professional video for your work, for your class, for your business, for your meetings and whatsoever, especially for your YouTube channel. If you want to look for a tool which you can combine a video and an audio in one, so all you have to do is to search it search it in one of the web browsers that you have. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.